of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including here in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Manok in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chickens! Wow! So cute! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons! Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. A round of applause for our raptors, our chickens, and our homing pigeons! Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here comes our lovely bird once again, and he will show us the proper waste disposal. Go, buddy. Easy, right? So if the bird can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction.